Gonna do a demonstration of the AC. It's another hot day in St. Louis. Right here, just flip the switch up and the AC goes on. This is just sitting here with nothing going across the condenser. So obviously going down the road, it'll cool down a lot better with some air going across the condenser. But this is just right here sitting in a in a hotter warehouse. So it gets down in the low 50s. I think it actually gets into the to the 40s. Stay at the 50s. There we go. We broke the 50s. Like I said, once it's going down the road, it gets down into the 40s pretty good. So you'll have nice cooled air out in California. Thank you, Carlos, for your business. Hope you enjoy this car. It's a beautiful car. See, 47 and dropping, 46.